Good morning, students. Yesterday we completed with applications of radiation. Today let us move on to some common observations. Like, you all know that refrigerators and air conditioners have got cooling coils at the back. And what are they made up of? These are made up of copper, because copper is one of the best conductors of heat. So what will it do? It will conduct away the heat quickly. Whatever heat is produced in the refrigerator and the air conditioner, it will conduct away. That means the copper will take away all the heat and it will remove it. It will move outside. Okay. Then the birds puff up their feathers. You must have seen in winters how do the birds, what do? They puff up their feathers. That means वो ऐसे उनके जो feathers हैं वो ऐसे अपने फुला लेते हैं. And themselves with a coat of air. What do? So that the air can enter into their feathers and it will create thousands of air pockets. And you all know, children, that air is a bad conductor of heat. So what will happen? It will retain the heat. The bird will not lose the body heat. Then you all must have very often heard about greenhouse. What is a greenhouse? A greenhouse, it looks like this. See, greenhouse. Okay, this is how a greenhouse looks like. So this greenhouse is made up of glass sheets. As you can see in the figure, it is fully made up of glass sheet. And what is it done for? It is used to grow plants especially during the cold climates. The sun's radiation, you all know the sun's heat that it comes is called as radiation. So the sun's radiation can easily enter through the glass sheet. Okay, and then these rays are absorbed by the earth and the plants inside the greenhouse. Since glass can very easily pass on the sunlight, it will go into the earth as well as into the plants. And then what will happen? It will raise the temperature of the greenhouse by conduction and convection. How by conduction? See, you can see metallic rods are here to fix the glass. So metallic rod is also there, and then this heat is getting transferred to conduction, and the air inside will also get heated up through convection. So, and this hot air is not allowed to escape out. So what will happen? The temperature inside the greenhouse, it rises to such a value that it will be very, very suitable for the plant. So this is how the greenhouse, or you can say the plants, are grown inside the greenhouse. Then you must have often seen that the factory roofs are painted with shining aluminum paint. Why are they painted with shining paints? Because you all know that the bright surface or the shining surface reduces heat loss in winter. In winter it will reduce the heat loss, and in summer it will absorb less heat. Okay, I told you white colors and silver colors, it absorbs less heat in summer. So it will keep the inside temperature moderate. The factory will remain, the temperature will be moderate. Then we come to thermos flask. Children, you all must have used thermos flask. We all have got thermos flask at our homes. Why do we use thermos flask? We use thermos flask because it keeps the hot drinks, it will keep hot, or if the drink or the water is cold, it will keep it cold, and it keeps the temperature hot or cold for a very long period of time. So we will see what does it contain. See, this is how a thermos flask is made. The thermos flask, as you can see, the outermost part is the metal case that you all know. You all have seen that the outer portion is the metal case. Then inside there is a double walled structure. Okay, and this double walled structure that you can see is a glass shell. It is made up of glass, and inside this double wall glass shell there is vacuum. You all know vacuum. Vacuum means there is no air, nothing is there inside. So, and it has got glass also, and both the walls are silvered on the vacuum side. Wherever there is, see here there is vacuum. This side also there is silver, and this side also there is silver. So there is what do you say? It is, the wall is silvered. Okay, the walls are silvered, and inside the silver wall there is vacuum is created. So heat can neither enter from here, okay, whatever you have poured in, it can neither enter nor leave the inner flask. Okay, inner flask से ना अंदर आ सकता है ना बाहर जा सकता है. And a very small quantity of heat can be gained or lost. Only the heat loss is possible by radiation. Okay, by radiation only heat loss is possible, but उसको भी it has been minimized because of silvering. क्योंकि silver polish किया गया है, so heat loss will also be very very less. Okay, it will be retained inside. Silver के कारण उसी के अंदर ही रहेगा. So a very little heat is transmitted through the glass wall at the neck and at the cork stopper. That means whatever heat is transmitted, it is through this cork stopper or through the neck. Whenever you open the bottle, at that time only heat will be lost. Otherwise from here there is no chances of heat loss because there is vacuum. Vacuum में you all know neither conduction will take place nor convection will take place in vacuum, because children you have learned that both conduction and convection needs the medium. Conduction needs solid and convection needs water or air. But here in the vacuum there is no solid. Even though there is solid, there is no air or water, and everything has been removed because of vacuum. So this is how the thermos flask remains hot or cold. So with this we have completed with the chapter, children. Please read the chapter properly and go through the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.